We begin this evening with more on the crisis in Haiti. Investigators have confirmed that President Jovenel Moise was shot multiple times during the gun attack on Wednesday. 4 suspects have been killed, while a manhunt is now on for 2 others. All this while the world continues to react to yesterday's shocking assassination. Dwayne Anderson has our report.
More details have emerged about the brazen gun attack on the Haitian president and his family at their home on Wednesday. Mr. Moise was shot 12 times by the assassins. The First Lady, Martine Moise, was injured in the attack and is said to be in critical condition in hospital.
When she arrived here, she was being treated, and she's under good care now. Hopefully, we will continue to pray for her prompt, recovery. But I do believe, to what I know, I'm sure that she's now out of danger.
Now, 24 hours later, many are still wondering what fueled the attack.
Indeed, they were foreigners, but at the same time, we need to recognize that they also have had some help, internal help, because if you take the logistic, for instance, the cars, to go all the way to the president's residence, I believe they'll get it on the ground. Therefore, there is no doubt about it. There is some internal help. But the most important thing is we need to continue with the investigations and look and identify those who financed them, those who paid them to commit this horrible act.
Earlier on Thursday, a gun battle between police and the men suspected of assassinating President Moise raged in Haiti's capital. 4 suspects were killed and 2 detained. A manhunt is on for other suspects. The country is under a 2-week state of emergency, which gives extensive power to the military and police.
We are doing our utmost at the government level to actually stop potential violence on the streets. And we understand that the population actually is in shock. And we have also seen this morning how this manhunt is the Haitian people that actually want to capture those perpetrators. So we believe in the Haitian people's intelligence. We believe in the Haitian people's action, because this tragic death of the president is not something they can accept.
Vice Chancellor of the University of the West Indies, Professor Hilary Beckles, in the meantime, called the assassination of President Moise the latest act of murderous political violence that has typified the colonization of the Caribbean. Professor Beckles added that no country in the modern world has paid as great a human and material price as Haiti in seeking to convert the rubble of bloody imperial domination into a democratic nation. And the murder of Moise is the latest in a legacy that includes political leaders such as Walter Rodney and Maurice Bishop. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.